Hmm. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Tariq Abdul Firdaus. So today I'm gonna explain you about my new project. It's about Flutter. So at here, as you can see, this the application that I made on the Flutter. At here you can see. I will explain you the first thing is the what the main the the file the entry point for for the application I use and for all application pattern that will start at here main dot. So basically the main dot how the flow is working. So how the function of main dot is when the void man sends the widget pattern binding blah blah you can see it here. You can see it here. This widget flutter binding is for make sure the flutter is ready before um before running the code other code like taking the data or analyze the library. And for the analyze that format is for the format that we use, yeah, Indonesia language. For the example is like Jumat 17 Oktober 2025. And you can see here there's the run cost. The run cost app. Run cost app is for running the main applications. So the and you can see that here there's the main app. My app is you can see this there's the class that I made class my app extend and stainless widget blah blah. Material you can see that here there is the material this material app and the title that we use title Bitaqwa and the themes for the and the roots. So basically material app is for the Kranka or the main structure that we use the main for the application and the title is for the name of applications and for the theme is the base the base color of the application I use the deep purple the black yeah the purple and for roots is uh the, for the list list page that we can access for the main the main the main point is main dot is for the map for the run the map for the road the application road map for the application and from at here we can know that every page uh, what page that that provide us here and how the way that the page is changed between other page and other page. And at here you can see at the Jadwal Solar Screen. Oops. You can see that there is a lot of variable that I use. There is the Jadwal Solat for saving the data Jadwal Solat list for the IP and the location name for the name location user locations and its loading is for the status loading status true or false. And how do we that how I can set here there is the code feature out here. You can see this there's the feature is dynamic page solid and string blah 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 and this for taking the data from the IP and the when they take the data from JSON from GitHub based from the city and month and the years if it is truth or can they will return the list jadwal or if there is something error or they can take the data will scroll up. I mean, we'll throw the error text. You can see at here that is the fail to load jadwal sholat. That's here. And you can see at here there's the for the taking the what we call it, taking the script, taking the location. There's the status wait permission location at here.
Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to
This
the video. So today
status
we
location
are
wait
back
permission location
to
request blah blah.
here.
This
Today
for
we are going to talk
taking
about
the
in my
location
stream
the
application.
user location. They will
So the first,
check the permission
we have
first.
this.
They will ask the permission to the
This is
user for the device to access
this
the application,
that is,
and
I think, the
will
ability to check
take the
the
coordinate,
ability to
the latitude and the long latitude. And you can see that they will at here they will change a bit
so it's
coordinate
just
for the name
adding
of
the
the
ability so I can
name.
click like this.
This the name of
Yeah.
what we call
Then
city. And you can see at here there's the
just
um for make the jadwal list at here.
this
This
is
you can see there's a
template
final
for
day on here.
this line thing.
You can see this. There's the
So
final
first
day,
one,
the final 2 days,
it will
and the
start
final
with
2 days
prayer.
schedule. So this code is for taking
So I click on
the
this.
date,
So it's the prayer.
uh, the
Maybe
real time
it
date,
is
and they will search for the jadwal
any
solat,
of the time. This thing, which is
according
going to
the what
import the
the
time
date,
the prayer should be
and
in.
if it
Look at we have the icon. This
if
is
it
the icon.
if
The
there is
smart
no, they
here.
will fallback the data, the first data to the first data. And you can see there
This is
is the
the
UI
icon
build,
for
the app bar out here,
this is the
app bar.
thing.
So basically, this is the body. You can see this. This there's if some if loading will showing the circle progress indicator. If there's something
Yeah, this is
error
the
or false, they will showing the text error
so
text,
it's
and if it is
using the
uh,
color.
should,
We
or
have the
if they
prayer.
um
Prayer here.
can load
The color text
the
is bit
the,
down.
the UI. It will show the tanggal, show the date and the
For that
location
we have the
user
time.
and kartu, and then card that filled
For
by list waktu sholat like
image,
subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, and isya. They will uh, showing on the widget time. And this jadwal sholat screen is bridge for taking a data between the IP and the location, and for the UI for the screen. And now we'll explaining about the data,
So the first one,
the time dot. So this you can see this file is more more easy, more simple than before, but than the previous, but this more important because we use this uh, many times. I considers the property that I use. There's the final string break for the name of Solat, and the final string time of the Solat, and the final string image. And you can see at here there's the UI, the dot, the return row at here. This for the UI. You can see there's the return row, children text prayers, and a cons spacer and type text times. Row is for the for stacking the with for stacking the things with the horizontal horizontal style, with horizontal, yeah, for horizontal stack. And for the text player is for the jadwal, for the name solat at the left, and spacer is for pushing or moving the element between become to to right, yeah, for moving the element to right. And the text time is for the jump solat, for the time solat, and the image aside is for the icon and the right at the right. For the example, when we use this, we can see that here there's the
and yeah,
if time is the subu, if the time is free for subu, we'll change the time coming 40 and 30, and they will showing the image clock. So the result is they will show the will show the 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 jadwal sholat. So for the main flow is the main dot is for opening the application for divide the team and for the applications, and data solat screen dot is for taking a location, fetch data solat, and for choosing the the jadwal solat the 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 jadwal solat at the same at the real time, and today they was checking the time, and we're choosing the what we call it that time, what date is jadwal is schedule, yeah. We're searching the schedule, we're choosing the schedule for today for showing on the screen, and the time that is we use this for showing the um every every row every line for the jadwal solat with the tidy format like this. And for the conclusion is main dot is for the main door, or for the enter door, for the enter doors, and for the map, for the road map, the application road map application, and the jadwal clustering is for the main brain for taking the data, for taking data, and for the jadwal UI, and the time dot is like a small component reusable for showing the
so if
one line of schedule solat,
Kabupaten agency, it's gonna show
schedule solat.
so yeah,
So this three file is this
location
this three file is application
and yeah,
that we can use for uh, for deciding the location user and taking the jadwal, the schedule solat with automatically recording the city, and for showing the jadwal, for showing the schedule and the solat schedule
pay that doesn't get
for daily solar schedule with a tidy way. So will show you this. If we open this the application, there something bug, yeah, a problem. So when we click the jadwal solar at here, they will loading, will taking the data, the user data. Now you can see at here that is the Jumat, the Jumat.
get the permission
That is the date at here. Right now
coordinate of
Jumat,
coordinate of the location.
Jumat 18, 17 October. You can see at here there is the at here Friday, October and 16.
Gonna get the month, the year,
And this there is the Bogor Regency, and this the place that I live, Bogor Regency and Pamijahan. And you can see this the jadwal. There is the subuh. Is right now subuh is eight
getting the
four past 15 past 15, and for the zuhr is 11 past 14, and the asr is 13 past 13 13 13
tuition
past uh, 47, and the maghrib is is 60 past 8 48, and the isha is 18 o'clock.
then it's gonna get the update
Well, if we click again, we will checking the update, we will checking the location and the date. We will designing the jadwal and schedule for the solar.
If it's done, it's gonna show this. So
Okay,
it's
that's
just
all for me.
basing
So
from this
listening,
loading.
my name is Torik Abdul
And
Firdaus. I
after
hope
that,
you
it's
can
going
understand what I mean.
to
And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
getting the
wabarakatuh.
information